Recently, I bought this FlySky FS-CT6B transmitter and a receiver. This is considered to be one of the cheapest transmitter you can get. Even though this transmitter is discontinued, you can still buy this on Amazon. It's rated for a kilometer on 2.4 gigahertz. I added LoRa modules to this transmitter and I was able to get more than 10 kilometers. And I did also add ESP-now for extended range, and it doesn't have the simulator support. So add that. If you are interested in it, you can watch the video. It's an impressive transmitter at this price point, but it has a huge flaw. It will work normally like other transmitter do. You can control your drone or your plane, anything, but if you use anything else like 2.4 gigahertz video transmitter with your plane or drone, everything breaks. One of the problem I found was when I tried to send a video over, or when I use my ESP32 for a telemetry or a video transmission, I always get low range. I thought it was due to the EMF interference from the ESC. It usually happen, but it was actually due to the transmitter noise. This transmitter put out a lot of noise. As you can see in this test, I used my phone as a transmitter and sending video using RTSP method. You can see this is running on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and sending directly to the laptop. The video feed is fine and you see the bitrate and data usage, everything is fine. But when you turn on the transmitter, it basically acts as a jammer. Of course, it will work as a transmitter, but it also jams other 2.4 gigahertz device. The RTSP is running TCP protocol, which is one of the most reliable transmission method because it requests a retransmission if there is any packet loss. Even then, it has hard time. I moved my phone from the laptop a meter away, and you can see the data rate went to 0 megabyte per second. The controller is very good for jamming Wi-Fi, especially for 2.4 gigahertz. If the digital system are having hard time, think about analog. I don't think analog can stand a chance against this transmitter if they're running 2.4 gigahertz. There are many series of this AF-HD S1 and there is AF-HD S2. FlySky also sells flagship transmitter. They don't even run these protocols. If you are going to use this transmitter or any transmitter on AF-HD S1 series, I don't recommend you guys to buy it. If you really want it, you can buy the AF-HD S2 versions. And if you are thinking of using 5 gigahertz video transmission, then this transmitter can do nothing. So no problem if you're using 5 gigahertz or 1 gigahertz video transmitter or telemetry, there will be no problem. But if you are going to use 2.4 gigahertz video or telemetry, which are kind of common, it will not work. Consider to subscribe and thank you for watching.